Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day. In God's hands, Leo. You're in the best hands that you could be. You're in the hands of spirit. Allow yourself to be molded, transformed, and also evolved into the next level. You're becoming stronger. I want you to also ask the right questions that no one's actually thinking about. Usually when you get into God's hands, everyone just feels the safety. Yes, you are in the safest place, but also take advantage by asking the right questions that's in your spirit that's going to take you even further in the long run. My trust in life is implicit. God's greater knowing and greatest love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady and I remain true to my light. Everything unfolds according to God's will and plan. You're in the right place, right time, and the right frequency. And right now, you're landing in the big one's hands. Allow them to change you and watch how your outside changes. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.